Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to code in Sololearn. So in order to do this, simply open your Sololearn application. Now after opening the application, you will see this interface. So if you'll be logged in, you will see your Sololearn's dashboard. Here what you're going to simply do is click on the create option just right here. So the create option will be available just at the left of the profile page. Click on create and it will show up this codes page. You can see other people codes by clicking on any code. Now, in order to code in Sololearn, you can click on this plus icon and choose a language that you want to code with. For example, I will choose Python. Now, as you can see, I'm successfully navigated to the code playground where I can enter my cursor here. Then I can type in the code that I want to write. I can add all these elements. I can click on run to see how this code will work. I can click on share icon to share this code and click on save. I can click on three-dotted icon and save this code, choose dark theme, choose the font size for this code, reset this code and do anything I want with coding in Sololearn. So that's how you code in Sololearn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.